Let's learn from a story. There was a girl named Soniya. She was a very hardworking girl. She used to work day in and day out for supporting her family. She always dreamt of increasing her wealth by investing, by generating some passive income. However, she was very fearful to invest in stock market. And she used to think, how are my other friends and family making good return and I am not able to do? Can I do stock market investing without having any knowledge about it? One of her aunt had lost a huge amount of money by investing in stock market. And she thought that since her aunt did not have any prior experience and knowledge, that was the reason her aunt lost lot of money. And now since Soniya did not have that knowledge and experience, she should also not invest in stock market. But let's understand, is it possible for someone who does not have prior knowledge and experience still to invest in stock market and earn good amount of money? To understand how to invest in stock market, the first thing to understand is the basis of stock market. So one day when while going to office, there was an article in the newspaper which was kept on the table of her drawing hall when Soniya was just about to step out for her work. She just saw become an investor, and that topic inspired her to read that article. On reading that article, she got to know that when you invest some money in any company, you get a portion of ownership in that company, and you become a shareholder of that company. By reading this, she was very interested to know more about it. So she read the whole article, and she got to know that first you need to buy the shares of that company through some broker or broking platforms. And then once you have purchased the shares of that particular company, you get some rights on the company and you become the part owner of the company to the extent of your purchase of shares, to that percentage of shares you purchased. So her next question which came to her mind was, can a beginner be an investor on stock market? And the answer for her question is a big yes. Anyone can invest in stock market whether she or he has prior knowledge and experience or not. However, it is very important to educate yourself even though you may not have prior experience. You may not have that knowledge, but it is very important for you to educate yourself about the basic of stock market. You should be able to read the stock chart, the performance of the stocks, the performance of the shares, and you should be able to read the financial statements of a company. If you are able to read the flow of the chart or performance of the company and the financial statement, and when you invest time in that, you get a thorough knowledge about it, you get a thorough learning about it. Only and only after that you can start investing. Adding to this, you can also seek advice from experienced investors or financial advisor within your circle. That article gave Soniya a boost, and she decided to start investing in stock market. However, she decided to take a very informed and cautious decisions. She wanted to start small. She thought of learning in the flow, not deciding and just jumping on other people's decision. She decided to learn in her journey and increase the amount of investments in stock market. So this is how Soniya did as a beginner level investor. First, Soniya started small. She invested in companies with a very small amount so that she is taking minimum risk in that area which she is not experienced into. Second is, she decided to diversify her portfolio by investing her money in different companies and multiple industries so that the risk is minimized. Soniya understood that investing in stock market is a long-term game, And that's the reason she decided to invest in companies with long track record of good performance of growth and profitability. And fourth, what Soniya did, and which was very important, what do not let your emotions take your decisions. And what does that mean? Soniya decided to take a decision based on the research and her thorough experience, and not based on what the other crowd is following or the rumors going around in the market. So do not take any decision based on your emotions. Take a decision in an informed manner by doing a thorough research and knowing about the market conditions. And this way Soniya was able to invest her money in stock market without having any prior knowledge or experience, and still generating good return on her investments by following the four top things which kept her going. But yes, she remembered the key terms which she has to follow every time whenever she wants to take any investment decisions. And what were those? Those were: educate yourself, diversify your portfolio, start small, do not let your emotion take your decisions, always have a long term investment strategies, and do a thorough research and analysis before putting your hard earned money anywhere in any platform. And that was all about Soniya's journey, how she became an investor without having any knowledge about stock market. So if you want to become an investor on stock market, do follow the tips and research and analysis what Soniya did for herself, and see your money growing multifold. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Namaste.